Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Impeller mounting hub. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new impeller mounting hub. The impeller mounting hub holds the impeller that cleans the dishes on the upper tray. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and your dishes aren't getting clean. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we're going to pull the upper tray out, and once it stops, you can just lift it off the rails and pull it out. Lift off the rear rollers, pull it off, and set it aside. Then we can push the rails back in. Then we have access to the impeller mounting hub. It's located at the top of the dishwasher. It's just clipped onto the water supply tube. It's held in by a couple mounting tabs, one on each side. We're just going to reach in with a small flathead screwdriver and release the tab. Usually once one side comes off, it just kind of falls off, so be ready to catch it. Once you have it free, you can pull it out and separate the impeller and set it aside. Then we can change the part. Here's the old impeller mounting hub next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before you put the hub in, we have to put the impeller back in. You want to make sure that the pin lines up with the hole on the impeller. Just have to turn it over and set it in place. Once you have it in, we can put it back in the dishwasher. To put it on, you just have to line it up with the locking tabs and snap it into place. Once you have it in place, we can pull out the rails and put the tray back in. Once you have the rails out, put the tray back on. Just have to line up the rollers on each side, then lower it down a little bit, push it in. You may have to pull the rails out a little bit and lift up to get the front ones on. Once you have it on, you can push it all the way in. You can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.